Today, we compare two all-terrain titans from BFGoodrich, the Trail-Terrain TA, a modern ATR tire designed for on-road comfort and light off-road use, and the All-Terrain TA KO3, a traditional 50-50 all-terrain tire built for rough off-road mastery without compromising on-road performance. Let's see how they perform. We will compare key metrics: off-road, snow, wet and dry using Canada Tire's road-rated test data, with the BFGoodrich Trail-Terrain TA set as the benchmark at 100%. Let's see how these all-terrain titans stack up. Starting with mud, the Trail-Terrain TA pulled off a surprising win, outperforming the KO3 by 10% in acceleration and climbing on steep, wet and rocky slopes. Contrary to expectations, its lower void design excels, delivering superior traction in muddy conditions. On gravel, the KO3 reclaims its dominance. Its aggressive tread design provides 12% better traction, stability and durability on loose and hard-packed surfaces, cementing its reputation as an off-road specialist. Both tires are 3-peak mountain snowflake certified, ensuring winter capability on snow-packed courses. The Trail-Terrain TA edges ahead by 3%, offering better traction, braking and handling. On ice, the Trail-Terrain TA again takes a narrow lead, outperforming the KO3 by 1% in ice-breaking grip. It's a small margin but adds confidence in icy conditions. In wet conditions, the Trail-Terrain TA outshines the KO3 by 3%, with better hydroplaning resistance, braking and lateral grip. This makes it a clear choice for wet weather safety. On dry asphalt, the Trail-Terrain TA continues its on-road dominance, outperforming the KO3 by 3% in braking, cornering and overall handling. When it comes to comfort, the Trail-Terrain TA excels with a quieter, smoother ride, outperforming the KO3 by 6%. Its design prioritizes reduced cabin noise for a more pleasant driving experience. And finally, in rolling resistance, the Trail-Terrain TA proves 3% more efficient, enhancing fuel economy or EV range, perfect for long drives or environmentally conscious drivers. In summary, we were genuinely shocked to see the Trail-Terrain TA dominate not only in mud, but also in wet, dry and snow performance. This modern ATR tire designed for on-road comfort with light off-road capability consistently outperformed expectations. On the other hand, the All-Terrain TA KO3, a rugged 50-50 traditional all-terrain tire, found its silver lining on gravel, where it showcased exceptional stability and durability.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.